All right, guys, the way we like to finish this out is to talk about a widget or something that we're utilizing in our business that saves us time, makes us more money, or just overall increases our lifestyle or our efficiency. Go ahead and lead us off, Brian.
So what my widget is it's a piece of you use more than one of these. And what it does is it helps reduce the echo-ness, the openness sounding of rooms. So when you're doing podcasts, when you're doing video, it doesn't sound echoey like in a vacant home.
Yeah, we don't want that echo-ness.
Yeah, well, I don't think I said echo-ness. Did I say echo-ness?
You did. Yeah. That's cool.
Whatever. So this is what it is here. It is a foam 1x1 square that you put up on the wall, and this helps disperse the sound waves. So this is not going to soundproof your room, but it's going to prevent you from when you're talking and the sound reverberating off the walls and making it sound hollow. Can you minimize that for me? What did I just say?
Yeah, it's cool. No echo-ness. That's what he said.
Okay, yeah. No echo-ness. And I got them on Amazon. You buy like packs of 25. They're fairly inexpensive. And I've got them on all three walls, or three of the four walls of my office. The fourth wall is the green screen wall.
Cool. All right. What I got for you guys is something that you need to use. As realtors, time is money, and we have very, very limited time in this industry. And one of the things that I watch a lot of realtors do is drink Starbucks drinks. And
we have offices right next to Starbucks.
We conveniently know strategic, right? There's actually studies that show that incomes are higher, property values are higher around Starbucks because the people that are willing to go drop $5 on a cup of coffee tend to have a little bit higher income and buy more expensive houses. So there's some strategy behind being next to a Starbucks or a nail salon, right? These are things, yoga studio. People spend money at these places. And those are kind of people we want to attract. But here's the thing. I see people standing around at Starbucks all the freaking time. They stand in line to order their Starbucks. Then they stand around and wait for 5 minutes for their Starbucks to be made. Like, if you waited in line for $5 and then or 5 minutes, and then you stood around for 5 minutes to wait for your coffee, that's 10 minutes of time. If you do that every day of the week, 5 times a week.
Really? Is there only one time a day, though?
It depends on the person. Depends on the person, right? Let's just say one time a day, 10 minutes every time you do it. That's 50 minutes a week. Over a month, you're spending like 4 hours a month, or 48 hours if you do the math on that, over the course of a year. You're spending 2 days of your freaking life ordering and waiting for your coffee. That's insane. 2 full days. That's bananas, guys. Quit doing that. Download the damn Starbucks app. You go on there, you hit a button, they make your coffee, you walk over, pick it up, walk away, done. No standing around in line, no waiting for your coffee. Order your coffee online. It saves you a ton of time, and you have your order already pre-set in there, your favorites. You just tap, takes you literally 5 seconds to put your order in, and you show up, it'll be waiting for you. Then they give you like rewards all the time and all that stuff. It's a game changer. Save your time. Quit spending 2 days a year waiting around at Starbucks.
This podcast brought to you by Starbucks. Not really.
All right, guys. So hopefully you got some value out of the show today. We'd love to stay connected with you. The best way to do that is go to thewhisselway.com. Thewhisselway.com. You can connect to our Facebook group, which is where you can ask questions that'll get answered here on the show. You can also subscribe to the podcast on YouTube and the actual podcast itself on iTunes.
And you can sign up for our referral list.
And yeah, a couple other things. Go ahead, Brian. What else you got on there?
That's all I added. Oh, so you can sign up for our referral list. I added that yesterday. And you can also find out about events that are happening. The next one is our Media Mayor Mastermind. And that link is at the bottom of the page.
Beautiful. Hopefully you guys got a lot of value out of it. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll talk to you next time.
See ya.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.